Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make fish head dal. So I'm dry roasting half cup of moong dal, and we are again looking for the brownish color, and there will be a nutty flavor that you can smell. I'm using approx 4 tablespoons of mustard oil to fry the fish heads. Once the oil starts smoking, I'm adding the fish heads which have been marinated in turmeric and salt for approx 30 minutes. Fry till the fish heads turn red. I can see the fish heads are now fried and it's becoming soft. So I'm breaking the pieces into manageable portion. I see these fish heads are now well fried, and I'm removing them. Once you have a color like this, you can take the fish heads off the heat. Now on the same oil, I'm adding 1 red chilli, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf which I have split in 2. Let the cumin seeds turn a little reddish. Now I'm adding the moong dal which I have soaked in water, about 2 cups of water. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. I'll give it a good mix and I'll cover the entire dal for about 10 to 15 minutes for the dal to be 70% done. Now I'm adding the fried fish heads in this dal. I'll let it cook for 10 minutes approx in low heat. I'll cover the entire thing, and I'm just keeping 20%, about 20% open so that the steam can exit. I'm checking the consistency. This dal is generally thick in nature, so I'm looking for the thickness. Adding half a teaspoon of sugar and give it another mix. adding 1 teaspoon of ghee. I'm sprinkling garam masala powder. And I'll mix everything together, and I'll keep the flame to the lowest, and this is ready to be served now. So you can serve it with hot rice, and it is one of the delicacies that belongs to Bengal, and I believe it should be shared with the entire country. So please do give it a try and let me know how you liked it. Till next time, stay blessed, stay connected.